Hotel. Walking distance for everything in the room is so spacious, and Netflix is good for family who wanted to have movie marathon before bedtime. Everything is walking distance from here. If driving, Google Maps get you lost. Look for Kramer Gas and end up next to the hotel, then empty your luggage from there. Then drive to P12 Kornmarkt for overnight parking at a very reasonable €10. Ask reception for discount coupon. Great staff at reception, very helpful. Large room and bathroom was very nice. The owner-manager Herr Muller was understanding and nice location with nice staff. We stayed for 4 nights, but we were willing to stay more and come back again. We'd like to recommend everyone who has planned to enjoy the place of Heidelberg. Location is best. Very historic area. Right in the heart of Heidelberg is this historical gem. Food was great. Service was great. Very interesting architecture with updated rooms. No AC, but the climate is usually fair. There was a mobile AC unit in the room that didn't feel like it did. Hotaru no katatachi minasan ga totemo furendo ride, sutachi na haizai yinari mashita arigato gozaimasu yushokumo, osusume ryo tenin yin yoshiete kudasari mashita hito ritabini, koko rozuyokata desumo. This was a perfect venue to visit the Christmas markets. Also perfect for wandering around the shopping area. The room was just right for us. Clean, comfortable size, helpful staff. Thank you. At city center, few minutes walk to Old Bridge and tram station to Schloss. Great breakfast, can order different egg dishes, stable hot water bath and heater. The hotel itself is a heritage. Great location for this iconic historic landmark hotel. 222-380